Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 48 cents more. Automotive diesel is also up by 54 cents and ultra-low sulfur diesel up by 57 cents. Kerosene will go for 55 cents more tomorrow, while 70 cents will be shaved from propane, reducing the price to its lowest since July 2017. Butane will increase by 29 cents, and of course, retailers will add their respective markups to these prices. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in February went up by $2.37 to settle at $52.17 a barrel. The Office of the Contractor General, OCG, has found no evidence of bias surrounding the 2017 tender for insurance services to the state-run oil refinery Petrojam. The OCG's probe was based on a complaint from Marathon Insurance Brokers. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Marathon Insurance Brokers was not the successful bidder. That's the conclusion of a report from the Integrity Commission tabled in Parliament on Tuesday regarding a tender for insurance services. The OCG found that Marathon Insurance's fee was very high in comparison to those of other bidders. The OCG found no evidence of impropriety and irregularity as it regards the extension of the previous contract for the provision of insurance services, which was awarded to Fraser-Fontaine and Kong. The OCG is of the opinion that the extension, which was approved by the Cabinet and the National Contracts Commission, is necessary, as Petrojam would risk having no insurance coverage after the contract period expired on April 1, 2017. Last year, news emerged that even though Marathon's bid was over $420 million cheaper, it was not chosen as Petrojam's insurance broker. Marathon also wrote to the Auditor General and the Prime Minister claiming unfair and wrongful treatment of its proposal. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
In currency trading, the US dollar ended the day selling for $129.57. The Canadian dollar closed at $98.08. The pound is going for $161.32, while the euro is being sold for $146.53. The JSE index lost 329 points today, while the junior market index went up by 20 points. Among the winners today were Barita Investments, Caribbean Producers, Fontana, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, JMMB Group, Kingston Wharves, and Lasco Distributors. Now on the losing side were Access Financial Services, Cargo Handlers, Everything Fresh, G West Corporation, Jamaica Broilers, Lasco Financial Services, and NCB Financial Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.